Hey there, I'm over here. I am Qbert, the Quantabio chameleon. Whoever said chameleons can't talk? I want to let you in on a little secret. We've launched the latest breakthrough one-step master mix technology to take qPCR to the next level. Introducing eQo one-step ToughMix, the revolutionary RT-qPCR master mix in lyophilized eqo beads. Okay, that's enough. I'm not kidding. Yeesh. Check this out. All you need to do is add the rehydration buffer to the eqo beads to make a stable 4x concentrated master mix. Seriously, it's that simple. In its eqo bead form, the product remains stable at room temperature for up to 1 year. Once rehydrated, the mix is stable at minus 20 degrees Celsius for 1 year and can withstand multiple freeze and thaw cycles. Shipped at room temperature for minimal environmental impact and a maximum convenience in a compact, recyclable foil pouch. eQo One-Step ToughMix tackles PCR inhibitors head-on, providing unparalleled stability and sensitivity for consistently accurate and reliable results. Be a chameleon. Adapt with Quantabio innovation.